You're in a big meeting. A key dashboard is on a screen with labels like YoY growth and YTD sales. Everyone is nodding along, but you are just trying to remember what YTD even means. It feels like you are reading a secret code. If you ever felt that way, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to translate the most common reports acronyms into plain, simple English. Why does this alphabet soup matters? Knowing what these acronyms mean is about more than just satisfying your curiosity. It allows you to speak the same language, contribute confidently in a meeting, and make faster and better decisions. So why don't we, as a BI developers, just write everything out? It comes down to simple and practical reasons. First, to save precious space. In most of cases, we don't have it enough. And second, to keep reports clear. Often less is more. First up are the comparison metrics. These are answer the questions: are things getting better or worse? The most important is YoY, or year over year. It compares this period to the exact same period last year, like this January to September previous year versus January to September current year. This is how you measure true growth without being fooled by seasonal trends. We'll also see MOM, month over month, or QoQ, quarter over quarter, or WoW, week over week. These are for tracking short-term speed and momentum, comparing this month to the previous month, or quarter versus previous quarter, or week versus previous week. Finally, you will see CY, PY, and LY. It stands for current year, previous year, and last year. These are the simple building blocks showing the grand totals for this full year versus the last one. Next are the accumulation metrics. These show the progress from the start of a period until right now. The big one is YTD, year to date. It answers what your grand total from 1st of January up until today. Think of it as a running total for the year, showing how you are tracking against your annual goals. Similarly, you will have Q to date, quarter to date, MTD, month to date, WTD, week to date. These are just running totals for the current quarter or current month or current week. They are perfect for tracking short-term target. This next group helps you to see the bigger trend by smoothing out the bumps. It reduces the noise and focus on a signal, a trend. First is RA or MA, the rolling or moving average. It helps you see the true trend by averaging the last few periods together. For example, a 3-month rolling average for June is the average from April, May, and June. It smooths out any single good or bad month. The next is TTM or LTM, trailing 12 months or last 12 months. This is a favorite in finance or stock market. It answers what is our grand total for the last 12 full months. It gives you a full recent year picture of performance, updated every month. Finally, we have the metrics that define success, the targets. You'll often see BU for budget or PL for plan. It simply answers what was the target number we were supposed to hit. So sales versus BU. It's just your performance versus your goal. You might also see FC or FCT for forecast. This is a prediction based on our performance so far, what number we think we will hit. It's your predicted future. So there you have it. It's not a complex math. It's a language for talking about the time and performance. Don't try to memorize all of them. Just pick 2 or 3 you see them most often and get comfortable with the business questions they answer. And here's a pro tip. If you ever stuck on a new acronym, use AI tool like ChatGPT. But don't just ask, what does AOV mean? Instead, give it a context. Say, I'm a marketing manager and I see AOV on my campaign report. What does it mean? Remember, context is everything. I hope this guide was helpful and makes you feel more confident in your next meeting.